Hey everyone, welcome back to 5-Day Crypto. My name is Chase. Happy Friday, happy Link Day. It's Chainlink all day, every day, but today's the video. We're going to start off on the 5-Day Gaussian channel. If you like the video today, give us a thumbs up. Let's get ready to get right on it. What have we done? Well, going back after the May drop, right, we came all the way down on the 5-Day Gaussian channel, got a nice bounce right at the bottom of that channel. Broke back up, tried to hold support, kind of stutter-stepped around with the the median line on the Gaussian channel. We want to get back up, which we are, right? We're getting up, we're dusting ourselves off. Hopefully Link is now ready to test the top of this channel. Usually when you start lifting off from this, your next move is to test the top. And just like this, right? We held the median line, we tested the top. The first time we got rejected, right? And we came back down and, we fell down. We missed the hurdle and fell down. And now we're trying to get back up and go to the next hurdle. Are we going to leap over it this time and hold it as support? That's what we need to do, right? We need to get above this top line, which is around $35. We need to flip it, not just get above it like a wick over here, right? We got to 36 back here. We need to get above it and then hold it and close the candle up here, which we haven't done since going to the upside. It's been a while, right? Right back here in April after the pandemic drop, going to the upside. We haven't been above it since the May drop. So this would be a pretty significant move out of Chainlink. If you see us close a candle on the 5-Day Gaussian channel above that top line, that would be a pretty super move, to say the least. Okay, what else we got? We got Link USD on the weekly chart. Look at the circles. The circles are the key. Look at where we are now. Do I think we're probably going to do something like this? The odds to me is yes. We'll probably slowly trend up here, hug the the 21-week EMA as Link tends to do. We can look at the time length that these are, and you could see that it just takes Link some time, and especially now. So this one is over 100 days, right? This one, after we broke up, another 90 days, right? This one's, we hit back here, we got above it. These are rough estimates, right? But just to give you an idea, this is not that quick. There's another 90 days. So if we do something like that again, 70 days, mid-December, 90 days puts us into right at Christmas time. Could we certainly take that long to have an explosive move? Of course. But notice that the general trend is up, right? So we could be trending, up around $40 or higher, right? But by then, but the explosive move is what we're in Chainlink for, right? Not this paltry, cling around, sit around, walk around. We're in for the Usain Bolt sprints. That's what we need. One of those is ahead. We had a nice recovery from our $13 low all the way back up to 36. Then, taking another breather, build momentum up. And then once alt season kicks around again, which I think is still a little bit of ways off, after Bitcoin does its run, Ethereum will probably do some spectacular moves. And then the big cap alts, anything over $1 billion, couple $1 billion will probably be next in line. And that move is still, 4 to 6, 8 weeks away from in my opinion. So for the big moves, right? Alts will still, generally get dragged up with Bitcoin or the bigger caps, right? We can certainly move up. But I'm talking about big moves. We're talking about practice, not the game. Okay. We're talking about this big move here. These kind of moves are still coming for Chainlink. I do think where Link will be well over $100, if not 150 to 200 by the time all is said and done. I think a nice estimate is 150, a conservative estimate. Now when that peak is, who knows, right? We could peak in 3 months, and then I would say probably closer to 100. If we peak in 12 months, which my odds on is probably 6 to 12 months, leaning more towards the 12 for this cycle. And then if that happens, then sure, Link could certainly be around $200, give or take, right? So that's what I like. This is kind of move I'm expecting out of Link for the foreseeable next several weeks. As you can see here, this takes some time. We're now above our 21 week. We got to hold that, and then we can get our explosive move. So last chart here. Look at short term. This is on the daily chart. Look at our Bollinger Bands. Look at the lines diverging away from each other. This is what you want. If we come back down, we want to hold support on that 21-day EMA and the median line, which are coincidentally about the same, about 26 26 and a half and some change there, right? Okay. So if we get bullish, right, and they continue to diverge from each other, we can have a more explosive move. In the meantime, let's get that $35 target that we mentioned is also, you know, kind of our local high closing candles way back over here in September. I would like to clear that before we can expect, you know, 20% weekly candle out of Link or something like that. 30, 40, 50, sure. But we have to clear the big milestones first, and that's get out of the Gaussian channel, hopefully make explosive moves soon, get us out of that $30 range back up, and then Link, the skies will clear, and we can start moving. So a lot of positive news coming out of Link. It's the most undervalued coin of all the crypto, as far as I'm concerned, as far as what it does. It's insane that it's being suppressed so much, but I think Link's time will come. It's just the more we have to have prolonged slow kill, stab you, leave out patience with Link. Link just like pulling your fingernails out, man. I'd almost rather have that happen. Just kidding. Please no. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, 75. We're still in greed. Okay. So at close today, let's see where we are. If the prices remain like we are, we're probably going a little bit lower, right? We're down in Bitcoin. Bitcoin's generally a big portion of this, I believe. So we'll see. We'll see where we close at. If we close at 75, we're still good. If we close a little bit lower, we want to remain above 70. That's kind of our floor. If we get below that in the 60s, then we could probably expect a little bit more, at least short-term down prices crypto-wide. You know, there'll certainly be alts here and there that, you know, rocket as you've seen today. But as a whole, I'm speaking as a whole. And what we want to do eventually is get back above 84, get back to extreme greed to get those prices extremely moving again. All right, car of the day, Ferrari F40. We did the Ferrari F50 yesterday in our videos, the F40 today. So pick your car, F40, F50. I tend to lean a little F50, but obviously I like my F40s. I've got two in the box. Yellow with the red interior and the red with the red interior. All right, that's F40. We get the front and the rear. Look at the pop-up headlights. Amazing. 80s. Back in the 80s, astounding designing. All right, quote of the day. Do not try to be the best, just do your best. So stop trying to worry about other people. Don't compare yourselves to other people. That's the fastest way to mess with your head. Just try to better yourself each day. You'd be surprised how far that gets you. All right, that's the spiel. Remember, give us a like, follow us on Twitter, Telegram, Patreon if you'd like to learn a little bit more than what you see in the videos. I have a private Telegram, do a lot of videos in there, little short clips, tips and tricks. You can ask me questions in there. I'm in there every day, active, so yeah. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you on the next video. Happy Friday. Hopefully you're doing something fun this weekend.